you cannot see far or near, or you have both, aging eye problem, or you have a cataract, when your vision is a little bit foggy, or glaucoma when your eye pressure is higher, and you have a headache and red eyes. You're trying to do some exercises on the internet, moving eyes up and down, looking at the finger, then far, and you wonder why it's not helping, and the answer is obvious, depending on the eye problem, there should be a relevant plan to help and to heal your eyes. And in most cases, eye movement exercise are completely irrelevant. They could worsen the problem. Especially the exercises that you can find on the internet. When you have to move your eyes artificially. As a robot. And this is a real problem. People start doing it and then they think that eye training is not working. But real eye training is the complex approach, system approach. What does it mean? It's not necessarily the exercises, in the first term. In the first term, it should always be healthy habits. So you should review the way how you look at the object, any object. Do you tense your eyes? Squinting your eyes? Are your eyes at the same height? Or you're looking at the person or any object at this angle? Do you have neck problems, for example, or spasm here, or tension? Do you have a computer neck, like when your head is like that? Uh, do you have to wear glasses all the time? You're completely dependent on the glasses. So, or you have sleeping problems when you go to bed at midnight, and wake up in the morning at 9 or 8, and you're still wondering why are your eyes still have tension. Of course, this is all about the habits, the lifestyle, and then you should have a plan with the exercises that are relevant for your eye problem. If it's a refraction error, like nearsightedness or farsightedness, it could be ciliary muscle training. The only muscle that needs to be trained, but first of all, it should be relaxed, because the more relaxed this muscle is, the better you can see far. The more it's trained, the better you can see near. But still, the amplitude of its work should be healthy. When it's completely tensed, it cannot work both far and near. Doesn't matter. Of course, you could have optical changes in your eyes, like myopia, nearsightedness. It assumes that your eyeball is not rounded; it's a little bit longer. But still, there's special solution for that case as well, and we discuss all these solutions, at the workshops and the retreats, and this is the system that works, and just think about it, and always try to be smarter, than just doing the exercises, especially that you can download it free on the internet. So always stick to the plan. Never lose motivation or inspiration, because we are all human. We are all getting sad when something is going bad. And when we suffer, but still yeah we find forces to carry on, and to struggle when even when we feel there are no power, no energy. This is also one of also important aspects, the energy level. So the method that I introduce, IDAM, this is a real integrated approach to healing the earth. This is habits, this is energy work, this is psychosomatic work, that is also very important. Many problems come from the way how we think, the way how we feel, the way how we control our feelings. This is also very important. and the posture. Yes, as I mentioned, the computer neck. So all these factors should be taken into account. Yeah, and have a plan and stick to it. And I'm sure that your vision will be 100%. You'll be happy to see the world how it is, without glasses, without lenses, without necessity to do any surgery or taking any pills or eye drops. So see you at the workshops and retreats. If you need my personal help, apply for a private session and we can one-to-one talk to you about your eye problem and find a solution for you. See you.